Today, on this overcast day, I decided to ride out near the Bio Museum and fly my Mini 4 Pro out towards the Bridge of the Americas. There is a restricted space around the Bridge of the Americas where you can only get so close. And here in Panama, you're allowed to fly only as high as 200 feet. So as I'm approaching the Bridge of the Americas, I get a prompt on my RC2 controller that's telling me you cannot go any further. So I promptly stop in respect for the rules and regulations here in Panama.